difference, we can save lives. We rise by lifting others above bitterness and strife. Let's open our hearts, feel the pain people feel. True compassion and empathy can help them heal. जीवन जीना सिर्फ अपने लिए नहीं, सेवा करना सिर्फ अपनों की नहीं। गुरु शिष्य का नाता है मजबूत, नैतिकता को अपनाना है जरूर। धर्म को अपना धर्म समझ लेकर न किसी से चल, निश्चय कर तो दया भाव से नेक राह पर चल। धर्म को अपना धर्म समझ लेकर न किसी से चल, निश्चय कर तो दया भाव से नेक राह पर चल। The smallest act of kindness can go a long way. Service before self, heaven in our hillside, heaven in our hillside.
I feel proud standing in the prestigious premises of ICI and fulfilling my dream of becoming a chartered accountant. Dream which turned into reality because of the hands that held me, guided me and supported me like backbone. Thank you Shiksha Kendra and DPS family for being the catalyst of change in my life and lives of other children like me.
It started as a vision in 2003, a bud of an idea, to kindle an everlasting flame of knowledge by creating a non-formal school to impart education to the underprivileged. It began as a community of 50 students and 2 teachers. That bud has blossomed into what we know Shiksha Kendra as today in 2021. The ever-growing family of 1,500 plus students and 39 teachers has become integral to the social fabric of school as we march hand in hand into the 21st century.
I think the idea of inclusion in education is a very vital one. And as far as the Shiksha Kendra is concerned, it is an idea which was born out of the heart and brain of my mentor, Dr. Shama Chona, and taken forward by the school patron, Mrs. Dhara Jaipuria. All I have done is brought it into physicality and looked after it. I genuinely feel that birth is by accident. No one decides whether they'll be born in a rich family or a poor family. So why then should students be treated differently on the basis of their birth? And from here comes the idea of the Shiksha Kendra of providing some sort of equitable education and not just education but all other aspects of education to every child irrespective of where they were born or what their parents do. And I think both groups, the haves and the have-nots, benefit in their interaction with each other. Both learn from each other, both learn to respect what they have. Hand-holding a child up till class 12 and then letting them go was something that was bothering me for many, many years. I really wanted to see them through higher education. But needless to say, schools don't have the kind of surplus that we see their education right through. And then this brainwave came to me about 4 or 5 years ago when the students who were passing out came to ask me what gift they can leave for school as a memory. And I just asked them if they would care to open a little corpus with which we could support the higher education of the Shiksha Kendra children. To my absolute joy, these children agreed. And there has been no looking back, because whatever money the outgoing batch leaves behind, we are able to support the education of children of the Shiksha Kendra through college. And thankfully, the moment I fall short of money, I have many hands, whether it's parents, whether it's my patrons, Mr. and Mrs. Jaipuria, the money always comes in. So I feel blessed that we are not just leaving the children after class 12, but seeing them through higher education and making them future ready.
Besides the academic curriculum, we also try and give our children real life experiences. Twice a week, a class 10 students go to Sienna, which is a multinational dealing in telecommunication equipment, to take coaching in maths and science. Just being in those posh premises with so many learned people, they feel motivated to emulate them. When there is a student exchange program happening in TPS, we are a part of the itinerary. When there's a MUN happening, our children participate and they win laurels too. The latest feather in our cap was when we took part in the ATL project and our school, our Shiksha Kendra team stood first.
Hi, the relationship between Sienna and Shiksha Kendra goes back to 2006 when Sienna had just started its operations in India. The bond between the two organizations grew so strong that in few years more than 500 students were trained on computers and English language. What started as a weekend classes became a routine over the week, and the DPS school bus bringing the children giggling all over was much awaited event at Sienna. Later, Sienna engineers started teaching them maths and physics. The students did so well that many of them went to the main school to study with other children. They passed out and some became doctors and engineers. Sienna also interacted with their parents for Mother's Day, Father's Day, and visited their homes. It was indeed a very, very engaging experience.
Eidgah, Munshi Premchand's poignant tale about love and empathy, was brought to life on stage on the 12th Founders Day celebration, wherein 150 students of Shiksha Kendra participated. Hamid and Anima's tender compassion was portrayed by Aman Sharma of Class 4 and Miss Sapna Dhawan, Dean Student Welfare.
Our 12th Founders Day. It was different. Ma'am actually wanted to engage Shiksha Kendra with morning school. And so Eidgah as a beautiful collaboration was conceived with 100% participation. And of course, it brought out so many sentiments in all of us, and especially me as I played Hamid's adoring Dadi. The warm connect was instant with Hamid and the rest. Eidgah was a hit with each one of us as we practiced, learned the dialogues, and in the bargain realized that happiness, care, kindness, empathy, and compassion make us what we are, humans.
I still have the magazine which I got after the event, and it has all the photos of our rehearsals. And whenever I see them, it gives a very bright smile to my face. Having part of the annual day celebration has been a privilege, and I'm really grateful to have got this opportunity to be a part of it.
When I had participated in Eidgah, I was in 3rd standard. It's a long time. As a part of it, I feel really blessed, and that was awesome and special memories.
Ma'am, your thoughts on the takeaway for Shiksha Kendra students while participating in Slam Out Aloud?
Slam Out Loud was a beautiful program. It was a beautiful journey for the children because through this program, I think they found their voice, they found their creative expression to build their creative confidence, because as DPS we believe in holistic development of every child. So I think this program took the collaboration and engagement to another level because all the stakeholders were collaborating, were engaged in bringing out the latent talents of these children. And there was a parent who sponsored along with the Jaipuria Trust. The entire program was sponsored, and the end product was again beautiful. And I think this program would not have been so successful, so enriching if Madhu ma'am had not coordinated it so well till the last tea. So Madhu ma'am, what went into the program? We did the planning, yes, there were people who were to interact with the children, but I'm sure there was a lot of planning that was involved before we actually initiated the children into the program. So what was that?
You're right, ma'am. We had to do detailed planning. We used to have activity periods on Fridays, so we converted those periods for the Slam Out Loud. and we had class wise. Classes 6 to 12 were involved in this, and children were given timetable. Okay, in this room, this class will go. We had a teacher, and that was consistent. And those children were people also, Gaurav and the Slam Out team, they were very professionals. So one person got one team, and then they interchanged. So the children got the best of all what they had. And a dedicated teacher was given over there. And the best part was when we had the PTM, we called in the parents. And even Aditi ma'am was there, other vice principal ma'am was there, Santana ma'am was there, and we had a showcase of it.
Yes, I remember.
Yeah,
I remember.
and the parents were so happy to see the children. I think it was a very enriching and liberating for the children, to get this
I think
exposure.
you're right, Madhu ma'am, because not only the creative expression of the children, I think there was again engagement of the students and along with the parents. So some thoughts, some things, some expression went back home also.
Absolutely.
And where we could see another, shine in their eyes when they came to school and saw what the children were doing. So it was actually very rewarding.
We had noticed one thing, that attendance was full on Fridays.
Yes.
Hello. Working with Shiksha Kendra has been a pleasure. It began by getting children together to engage in art-based learning sessions. I think one of the most inspiring thing that I saw was just how deeply children wanted to engage with the new art. They were ready to share stories, they were ready to be able to try out new things, but at the same time they were also incredibly dedicated to be able to create the most out of this opportunity. I think the other additional factor that helped us have a great program with the students was the sheer dedication and support of the Shiksha Kendra staff, and that made the whole engagement a huge success, and we are so grateful to have been a part of it.
The school canteen becomes a buzz with excitement every Danotsav. The food articles are contributed by DPS students, and the seniors can be seen happily at work, chopping away at the vegetables and helping serve the prepared meals to the students of Shiksha Kendra.
The idea behind Danotsav was really about reducing waste in our homes and sharing food with each other. The power of sharing is so remarkable that it can bind us together as a community. It can bring kindness to those around us. And even the smallest of acts has the power to change our world for the better. I am proud to have seen this go from strength to strength over the last few years. And I want to take this opportunity to thank you for making that happen. And I'm really looking forward to where you can take this next, because the sky is the limit.
The bond between Interact Club and Shiksha Kendra is eternal. From games played to friendship made, we hold a special place in each other's heart.
Painting,
Portrait making,
quiz competition, joy of giving.
The joy of giving is an activity which is equally looked forward to and loved by the children of Shiksha Kendra and the children of morning school. Buying gifts, wrapping them with love and distributing them among the children of Shiksha Kendra mark the beginning of the festive season of Christmas. When the children of Shiksha Kendra receive their gifts, the smile on their faces, priceless. Joy of giving indeed gives a lot of joy to all of us.
Shiksha Kendra is the result of hundreds coming together, working as a team. The years whiz past in the blink of an eye, but the memories engrave themselves in our hearts.
Shiksha Kendra to me means warmth and hope.
Means growth and empowerment. And I am so glad to have been a part of this journey.
An energetic, joyful, and vibrant world.
Working with and learning from the students of Shiksha Kendra has been one of the most enriching experiences in my life so far.
Shiksha Kendra is, was, and will always be my most cherished memory from school.
I have completed my 12th in 2018 and now I have completed my graduation in BCom. And for the time being, I am preparing for my CAT exams. And further, I want to do MBA in Fine Arts. One of the best experiences that I believe is being a student of DPS Shiksha Kendra for a decade. I am very thankful for the help and support that DPS has provided me by taking the responsibility of my college admission charges every year. In last 2 years, I was campus ambassador of my college, and now I have the responsibility of district convener of Rashtriya Kala Manch Gurugram. And this only happens due to the experience when I was sports captain for 1 year and head girl for 2 years. The school has taught me to serve the society, and this only happens due to our school motto, that is service before self, and I will follow it rest of my life.
Hello everyone, I'm Tushar Juneja. I had the experience of working with DPS Shiksha Kendra in making a film for them a few years ago, and I had the unique opportunity of interacting one-to-one with a number of students, including going to their homes and talking to their families. And there were 3 things that really stood out to me. The first is how full of desire these children are, how much they want to become something in life. And the second was how motivated they are to reach that goal, to work hard and really step out of their circumstances. And the third is the potential. They're so full of possibilities and potential, and they just need the right guidance and the right support. And that's what I saw Shiksha Kendra do so well. Provide these children with a platform that allows them to transcend their situation and aim for something greater than what they can in their current circumstances. I wish all the best to Shiksha Kendra. I'm always there to support their cause, and I look forward to doing more such amazing projects with them and seeing Shiksha Kendra reach new heights.
Shiksha Kendra to me is a place where learning has no boundaries, and I truly believe that it is a stepping stone to making many dreams come true.
Is a symbol of hope and of growth. It is a reminder that we all have the power to make a difference.
I am extremely proud of Shiksha Kendra and my team Shiksha Kendra, and I hope to see you all very, very soon